So I stopped by my local coin shop this week just to see what was going on, and what I saw absolutely stunned me. A guy walked in with a monster box of American Silver Eagles, 500 ounces. That's serious silver. But what happened next was a wake-up call for anyone stacking silver. Here's what this guy did. He was cashing out this monster box. And that happens, right? That's not a big shock, but let me give you some context. First, this eagle that I'm showing you is from 2023. I like to show this eagle because it's only 2 years old, but it's got really cool toning, and I'm always a sucker for toning. Anyway, here's what this guy was doing. He bought this box back 2 years ago, 2023. And you'll remember that spot then was around 23, 24, 25. Let's say he got it at the high end. Let's say he got this at $25 an ounce. But at that time, premiums for these eagles were about $14 per coin. That's $39 per coin. And you multiply that by 500. He paid about over 19,000, probably 19,500 just that box. Now, at the time that was normal. Demand was just sky high. The mint was behind production. Dealers were charging top dollar. And he thought he was making a smart move. He thought he was getting in on a safe asset. But what really happens is these premiums, when they're high like that, they collapse. So you flash forward to where we are today. Premiums are down to $2 to $3 over spot. And spot at the time of this recording, right when I was in the shop this morning, it's $36.50 around there. So you're looking at $39 for each coin. Now, that should sound familiar because he's basically, if he's lucky, he's breaking even after all that he put in. And if he had gone in, of course, if he went in on this monster box with a normal premium, he would have made a killing just in 2 years. So, it's something that we don't look at enough as stackers. It's premium compression. It's those collapsing of premiums that can happen. I mean, look, it's not just eagles. This is a proof eagle. I don't even buy these anymore. These come with the premiums still about $40, $50 over spot. It's just an ounce of silver, right? But that premium, you don't get that back. If I tried to sell this, I wouldn't get, the buyback is not $40 to $50, nothing close. These here, right? The year of the ox. I was all in these. I used to pick these up all the time. Premium's probably about $20 over spot for these. If I tried to sell this now, maybe if I'm lucky, I get $10 over spot. You don't get that money back. Kookaburras, right? All these are all semi-numismatic silver. And it's just like the eagle. You need to be looking at the premiums. You really need to understand how premiums work and know that the buyback, it's not set up in our favor. We're not getting those premiums back.